So guys, for the first method, you want to uninstall and then reinstall the application that you're having a problem with. So you want to go to search and type in add remove programs, click on it. Once you're on this, you want to find the application that's giving you a problem. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again and then the problem should be fixed. For the next method, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. You want to download both of them. So click on both of them, which will then download both of them. You want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing, just wait for this. Once that's been done, we can now resolve this. Next, we're going to install x86, double click on it. And again, tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing, just wait for this. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. Now, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.